Today's science lesson with Mrs. Knight is about the ozone. Are you ready? It's time to free write. This will help us see what we already know about the topic. So close your eyes. I want you to think of the first three words that come to mind when you hear ozone. Now you can write your three words on your paper, and you can even draw a picture. I'll share with you what I wrote. I thought of pollution, atmosphere, and earth. And here's my picture. To understand the ozone, we will need some key terms. We have atmosphere, oxygen, atom, molecule, and radiation. Let's review from our previous science lesson. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is all of the layers of air that surround our planet Earth. There are 5 layers in our atmosphere. We are here on the first layer, the troposphere. It goes up about 4 miles from the Earth's surface, and this layer contains the air that we breathe. The ozone is the layer between the troposphere and the stratosphere, right here. The ozone is a thin layer that absorbs the ultraviolet radiation rays from the sun. These rays could cause sunburn or even cancer, so the ozone is very important to protect us from the sun. When the radiation from the sun hits the oxygen molecules that are in the ozone layer, it breaks them up. One oxygen molecule turns into 3 oxygen atoms. The formula for ozone is O3, like this. This means that one molecule of ozone is made up of 3 atoms of oxygen. Ozone is also called trioxygen because tri as a prefix means 3. So 3 atoms of oxygen, trioxygen, or ozone. So we've learned that the ozone is very important to protect us from the sun's radiation. But there is a hole, or really a thin spot, in the ozone that could be dangerous to life on Earth. So what is causing this hole in the ozone? It's pollution. Air pollution is causing the hole in the ozone layer. Humans have created chemicals called CFCs that damage those O3 molecules that make up the ozone. The hole could allow more harmful radiation from the sun to reach us. So what can we do? What's the solution? Could we put a big band-aid over the hole in the ozone? No, that won't work. Most of the world has come together to ban CFCs. This is helping to repair the ozone layer, but it will take time. What can you do? Well, engine exhaust can harm the ozone. So you can walk or ride bikes when you're going a short distance, or you could even carpool. And you could buy local products because this will reduce the pollution from trucking. Whoa! This is the hole in the ozone over Antarctica. You'll notice the color differences to show different gases. Scientists use instruments like the microwave limb sounder and the Aura satellite to monitor the hole in the ozone and to capture these images. It's time for a writing prompt. For today's writing prompt, let's think of all the things we learned about the ozone today. Write a sentence about one thing you learned, and one thing you want to know more about. I'll show you how I started my sentence. I learned blank. I want to know more about blank. And you can even draw a picture. Thank you for joining me in this science lesson today. You can find the link to other lessons in the bio, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified when new lessons are up.